Alright, you guys, what's up? Let's get into some back testing today. Did a lot of help with some of my friends, so hopefully I can actually show them that I know how to trade as well. Alright, so you already know what we're looking for today. I marked out my levels, pre-market high, pre-market low, previous day high, previous day low. Today was FOMC at 2. Looks like we're getting a break above. I don't really like that candle. Okay, it's flipping scary candles. Um, yeah, these are scary, scary candles. I mean, if I did take an entry here, that probably would have been pretty good. See if we get anything else though. I wouldn't take that. Let's see what we get. Let's see. Wow, flew today. Finally, okay, so for the rest of the day we kind of just chop. So let me look back at this. We had a lot of resistance here. We broke above. Actually, I don't know why I didn't enter on this candle. This candle's a really good candle to enter on. I'm not sure why I didn't enter. This is a good candle to enter on. That's just a stupid idea of me to not enter on it. Set the stop at 13 EMA. Target high a day. Right, at least or something. I don't know. We'll target like, let's say we even went conservative. Right, like if even like because we would not have sold with the 13 EMA at all today, which is beautiful. Um, okay, that's a really good trade for there. Boom, that was banger trade number one for today. That's it. That's all you needed. This trade I would not have taken because it's kind of. I mean, I could have taken it, but I don't know. Let's go to. Let me mark out the charts for tomorrow. That's a pretty good trade. So, um, obviously we're gonna mark out that. Mark this out, right? Boom, boom, boom. Let me see. Do we bounce off a lot here? We do. I will also create a zone here. I'll just make the zone like this. Alright, boom. Alright, and then let's go to QQQ now. Alright, so looking at QQ, probably going to be a similar story. Let's look at yesterday's price action. Okay. Oh my god, this price action is beautiful. Let's take a look and see what we get. Sit play. Let's wait for a break. So we know it's going to break to the upside today. All chops so far. Okay, we get a break. We're looking for a pullback. That's a scary candle. I don't want to enter on that. Nope. Scary. Scary. Nope. Let's just let it play out, honestly. See if we get a nice pullback here, maybe. Nice. Okay, we get this. I would enter off this just because I'm looking at the sentiment for the market today. Let me look at this candle. That candle looks pretty strong. Entering off the sentiment for this candle. Obviously, I'm biased to the upside because I know in hindsight. Like, let's say we target even like, okay, what happens if we target the next zone? So like, let's say we target the 13 EMA, then we enter off this. What are, those are 492, right? Right, so even like a quick trade like that. Okay, like when we smash it, we don't even close below 13 EMA at all. Like we're smashing it, these trades today. So what am I learning? Like we can have like a little push up and then a pull down, especially if we're in a strong uptrend. It's like as you see, we have the pullback here, the market structure, and then obviously we have the strong candle here. All right. Rest of the day we just chop. So go ahead, mark out basically what we had for today. All we had was just a simple this type of move. I will definitely mark this though. All right, boom. Put these here as like an IWM. All right, IWM. Have it marked. This does not look nearly as clean, but we still have to practice trading it. All right. Oh, what are these pre-market levels actually? Well, obviously we're gonna have this. We're gonna have this. We break below it. We don't get a retest in 13 EMA. Let's look for a break. Okay. Looking for a retest. It's a strong engulfing to downside. Not what I want to see. Also, no retest in 13 EMA. How does IW move? Looks like we do get a chance a little bit later in the day, so let's take a look. Alright, that's a nice, really nice candle here. Very strong, but we're not above a high, so that's why I don't want to take that. We're already at the highs yet. Yeah, we're about to reach the highs. Yeah, we're just going up. We don't have a pullback. This is a nice trade. This is a setup I see a couple times. Like we break under the 13 EMA. We just like flip and flip like this, then you just go short off of this, set a stop loss and something that makes sense, basically 13 EMA. Set profit target like 48 to 200 in the next zone. Right. Right. Yeah. Boom, 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 bam, bop. Whatever. Alright, you guys get the point. It's a pretty good trade. Do you do anything the rest of the day? Basically, no. Okay. Okay, so then we just mark out our levels. I will say, I will call this a level. Because it's pretty obvious in my opinion. Actually, no. I'd rather use this as a level. Yeah. Uh, yeah, level is not perfect, but it's okay. It's fine. Alright, but yeah, let's get to the journal. Alright, so as for this, right, basically, a firm skyrocketed to 43 bucks. Like if I go and look at a firm, right? So I'm selling covered call at like 41, right? And a firm is at like 43 today, which is nuts. So I'm gonna try and sell this covered call back so that I can get my price a little bit better. Oh shoot, oopsie daisy. Oops. Yeah, but you guys get the point. But yeah, I'm gonna try and sell them back so I can buy back make bank. Still no YMAX, but buys yes are pushing all-time highs. On the flipping, what you call it, on the market. Relationships. Today I spent a lot of time with Turnip. Man, you already know who you are. Talked to the gym a lot. But honestly, not too much. I just chilled with the guys, but like I said, I talked to Turnip Man a lot. I signed him with a call for like 2 hours, teaching how to trade, teaching what stuff is. He's a little bit slow, but he learns. He's dedicated. I also asked Tomato if she's going to Garba, but she said she's not going to the one I was going to, so she's gonna go to a different one. So I did ask her though, and we had a combo after that, so which was pretty nice. But it's going good. I even pulled up to the house, like I just drove by her house with the Div today. Div did some stuff around her house, and even confirmed that was her house. But yeah, me and Div were messing around after school since the gym was shut down. So for trading, as we saw, there's two A plus setups, maybe three on SPY. Man, what I learned was there's a strong uptrend. You can be a little more aggressive with the entries. Obviously, if there's still confirmations, but like even if there's a little pop and then like a pullback to 13 EMA. So like, for example, this is the 13 EMA, and like you have candles going like this, and then you have one that like you don't have like a great entry, right? You don't have a great entry. It's just shopping, and then it has a little push up, right? And this 13 EMA is riding up. If you get like this little push up, right? And then you immediately have like another candle like this, then you can still go long off of this, right? Because yeah, it's good. But yeah, basically, yeah. Uh, so for the marketing, I updated the lead form since my client said that the leads qualities weren't good. So now they have actually to type in the phone instead of like just writing it, like autofilling it. But the guy from yesterday did not close it because like his wife picked up and it wasn't good since it was the wrong phone number. That's why I did this. I still have to finish upload the first YouTube short, but I saw Vince at the gym, so I have to talk to him ASAP. Hopefully he responds. Yeah, the hurricane's pretty crazy. School was pretty chill. I had an all-in moment when we were playing poker with Mr. Luke Huber. Yeah, I love Lukey, but we were in study hall, we played poker, and he went all in. I had a gov test, but I did all right on it, I think. But I have to take the PSAT tomorrow, so that's what I'm going to study for right now. And I also have to come back for chamber strings after the PSAT, which sucks because, I'm gonna finish at like 11:40, go to the gym, and then come back at 3, which is stupid. But the gym lost power today, so I had to go late. I went at like 8. I went with Turnip. That's where we talked with him for a while, and we hit legs. We spoke a lot about life. I really like talking to him. He's a really good guy. I really do like talking to him. It's like very philosophical. It's like very deep talks. But I gotta hit plyometric workout tomorrow. I asked the guy if I was getting bigger. He said yes, so it's a W in my books. Well, some guys thought I was getting bigger, but yeah, I feel like I'm definitely getting stronger. But as for my thoughts, I just want to say just one thing. I talked to Turnip, and I realized that there's a lot of stuff that I do that's not really for myself. It's just for societal expectations, right? But what really matters is my own happiness and how I'm gonna get there, and the goals that I have for myself, achievement, things like that. So that's what's important. I want to get rich. That's my goal. My goal is to have achievement to show that I can do it. But that's also like it's debatable, like am I doing that for other people? Am I doing it for myself? But that's something I gotta figure out. But anyway, that's it. See you guys. Bye.